In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add API members in Perplexity AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can invite teammates to collaborate securely on your API usage. First, make sure you're signed in to your Perplexity account. If you're part of an organization, you may need the appropriate permissions to manage API members. Once you're in, look for your profile or account icon, usually in the upper corner of the screen, and open Account and Settings. This is your main control center for anything related to your profile, billing, and developer tools. Inside Settings, find the section labeled API. This is where Perplexity groups all developer-related features, including keys, usage, and access controls. Click API to open that area. Within the API section, look for API members. This page is dedicated to managing who can access your organization's API resources. If you're setting up a team or expanding access, this is the place you'll use most often. Now, click Add Member. You'll be prompted to enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Type it carefully and double-check for typos. An incorrect email will prevent the invitation from reaching the right person. When you're confident it's correct, send the invite. Perplexity will email that person with instructions, and they'll need to accept the invitation to join as an API member. Until they accept, they won't have access, so let them know to watch their inbox and, if necessary, check their spam or promotions folder. A quick word on best practices. Invite people using an email address they actively use for work, especially if you're coordinating within a team or company. Keep your setup tidy by only inviting the members who truly need access, and never share passwords or API key. API keys in plain text or over unsecured channels. If an invite goes to the wrong address by mistake, cancel it and send a new one to the correct email rather than forwarding anything sensitive. To recap, sign into your Perplexity account, open Account and Settings, go to the API section, select API members, then click Add Member and enter their email address. The process completes once they accept the invitation from their inbox. That's it. Simple, secure, and team-friendly. Follow these steps anytime you need to expand access, and you'll keep your API environment organized and under control. Thanks for watching, and happy building.